Hello everyone, welcome back to Intellify. I am Shruti and I will be discussing some more NCRT questions of Political Science Class 10th. I will be discussing NCRT questions of Chapter 3, Democracy and Diversity. So let's move on to the questions. Question page number 37, question number 1. Discuss three factors that determine the outcomes of politics of social divisions. So there are three factors that determine the outcomes of politics of social divisions. A, the outcome depends on how people perceive their identities. If people see their identities in singular and exclusive terms, it becomes very difficult to accommodate. B. It depends on how political leaders raise the demand of any community. It is easier to accommodate demands that are within constitutional framework and are not at any cost of another community. C. It depends on how the government reacts to the demands of different groups. Question number 2 says, what when does a social difference become a social division? The social division takes place when some social difference overlaps with other differences. Situation of this kind produce social division when one kind of social difference becomes more important than the other and people start feeling that they belong to different communities. The differences that turn into social divisions are called overlapping differences. Okay, so the third question says, how do social divisions affect politics? Give two examples. Democracy involves competition among various political parties. Their competition tends to divide any society. If they start competing in terms of some existing social divisions, it can make social divisions into political divisions and lead to conflict, violence, or even disintegration of a country. This has happened in many countries. In North Ireland, it has faced violent and bitter ethno-political conflict. Two major sects of Christianity, Protestants, which were 53%, and Roman Catholics, which were 44%, are represented in the country. The Catholics were represented by nationalist parties who demanded that Northern Ireland be unified with the Republic of Ireland, a predominantly Catholic country. The protesters were represented by Unionists who want to remain with the UK, which is predominantly Protestant. The fight between nationalists and Unionists led to social conflicts where hundreds of civilians died. In Yugoslavia, the political competition along with religious and ethical lines led to disintegration of Yugoslavia into six independent nations. Moving on to question number 4, which is fill in the blanks. And dash social difference create possibility of deep social divisions and tensions. Dash social differences are do not usually lead to conflicts. So overlapping social divisions create possibility of deep social divisions and tensions. Cross-cutting social differences are not usually lead to conflicts. So this is the answer for this. Question number 5 says, in dealing with social division, which of the following is not correct about democracy? A. Due to political competition in a democracy, social divisions get reflected in politics. B. In a democracy, if it is possible for communities to voice their grievances in a peaceful manner. C. Democracy is the best way to accommodate social diversity. D. Democracy always leads to disintegration of society on the basis of social divisions. So the correct answer, the statement which is not correct about democracy is D. Democracy always leads to disintegration of society on the basis of social divisions. Question number 6, they consider the following three statements. A. Social division takes place when social differences overlap. B. It is possible that a person can have multiple identities. C. Social divisions exist only in big countries like India. Which of the following statements are correct? A, A, B, and C. B, A and B. C, B and C. D, only C. So the correct statements are A and B. So the right option is B. Moving on to question number 7. Arrange the following statements in a logistic sequence and select the right answers by using the code given below. A. But all political expressions of social division need not be always dangerous. B. Social divisions of one kind or the other exist in most countries. C. Parties try to win political support by appealing to social divisions. D. Some social differences may result in social divisions. The options given here are A. D, B, C, A. B, D, B, A, C. C, D, A, C, B. Option D, A, B, C, B. So the the correct answer is A, D, B, C, A. Moving on to eighth question says among the following, which countries suffered disintegration due to political fights on the basis of religious and ethnic identities? Option A, Belgium, B, India, C, Yugoslavia, D, Netherlands. So as we discussed earlier, Yugoslavia has disintegration due to social conflicts. So this is the right answer, C. Question number 9 says, read the following passage from a famous speech by Martin Luther King in 1963. Which social division is he talking about? What are his aspirations and anxieties? Do you see a relationship between this speech and the accident in Mexico Olympics mentioned in this chapter earlier? So the speech is, I have dreamed that my my forged little children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. Let the freedom ring. When this happens, and when we allow our freedom ring, when we let it ring from every village and every helmet, from every state and every city, we will be able to speed up with that day when all of God's children, black men and white men, Jews and Gentiles, protesters and Catholics, will able to join hands and sing in the words of old Negro spiritual, free at last, free at last. That thank God Almighty, we are free at last. I have a dream that one day this nation will rise up and live out with the true meaning of its creed. We hold his truth to be self-evident that all men are created equal. So Martin Luther King is referring to the segregating policies used by whites against the colored people. He mentioned that it is the reason for the social division between two communities. His aspiration was for people to move towards a secure society where different communities can live together peacefully. He hoped for he hoped for a non-racial society and non-racial and where racial abuse doesn't exist. He wanted communities to respect each other and not discriminate against each other on the basis of their color. Yes, there is a relationship between his speech and the accident at Mexico Olympics, as both reflect a stand against the plight of African American people. So, thank you, and please stay tuned for more NCRT questions with Intellify.